Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share tips and tricks for living a healthy and happy life. In this video, we're going to be talking about a simple yet powerful way to reduce inflammation in the intestines, drinking cabbage juice. If you're someone who's struggling with gut issues or looking to improve your digestive health, then this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Cabbage juice has been touted as a remedy for various health conditions, including reducing inflammation in the intestines. In this video, we will explore the benefits of cabbage juice and how it can help to reduce inflammation in the intestines. What is inflammation? Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury, infection, or irritation. It is a process by which the body's immune system fights off harmful stimuli, such as bacteria or viruses. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a number of health problems, including autoimmune diseases, cancer, and cardiovascular disease. Inflammation in the intestines is a common problem that can be caused by a variety of factors, including poor diet, stress, and certain medical conditions, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Symptoms of inflammation in the intestines can include abdominal pain, diarrhea, and bloating. Cabbage juice and inflammation. Cabbage juice has been found to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation in the intestines. Cabbage contains a variety of nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, that can help to support gut health and reduce inflammation. One study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that cabbage juice was effective in reducing inflammation in the intestines of rats. The study found that the anti-inflammatory properties of cabbage juice were due to its high concentration of glucosinolates, which are compounds that are known to have anti-inflammatory effects. Another study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found that drinking cabbage juice daily for 8 weeks led to a significant reduction in inflammation markers in the blood of participants with type 2 diabetes. How to make cabbage juice? Making cabbage juice is easy and can be done at home with a few simple ingredients. To make cabbage juice, you will need 1 head of cabbage, 1 to 2 cups of water, blender or juicer. Instructions: wash the cabbage thoroughly and chop it into small pieces. Place the chopped cabbage in a blender or juicer and add 1 to 2 cups of water. Blend or juice the cabbage until it is smooth and well mixed. Strain the juice through a fine mesh strainer to remove any pulp. Drink 1 cup of cabbage juice per day, either in the morning or before bedtime. Tips for drinking cabbage juice. Drinking cabbage juice can be an acquired taste, but there are a few things you can do to make it more palatable. Here are some tips for drinking cabbage juice. Add a small amount of apple juice or lemon juice to the cabbage juice for added flavor. Drink the cabbage juice cold or over ice for a refreshing drink. Start with a small amount of cabbage juice and gradually increase the amount as your taste buds adjust. Drink the cabbage juice with a straw to avoid contact with your teeth, which can be damaged by the acidity of the juice. Other benefits of cabbage juice. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, cabbage juice has other health benefits as well. Here are some of the other benefits of drinking cabbage juice. Supports digestion. Cabbage juice contains fiber, which can help to support healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Boosts immune function. Cabbage juice is rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help to boost immune function and fight off infection. Lowers cholesterol. Cabbage juice has been found to lower cholesterol levels in the blood, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Supports weight loss. Cabbage juice is low in calories and can be a healthy addition to a weight loss diet. Additionally, while cabbage juice can be a helpful addition to a healthy diet, it is not a replacement for medical treatment or a healthy lifestyle. If you are experiencing chronic inflammation or other health issues, it is important to speak with your healthcare provider about the best course of treatment for your individual needs. Thanks for watching our video on the benefits of drinking cabbage juice for reducing inflammation in the intestines. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried drinking cabbage juice before and what your experience was like. We'd love to hear from you.